So the Cat Sas is here. I have nothing much to say, but moving on to the video. So here we go. Hello guys, and welcome back to another Gaming Facts episode. I hope you enjoyed the Foxy episode that I did last episode, a few days ago actually. So let's move on. Purrlion is a dark type Pokemon introduced in Generation 5. It develops into Liepard at level 20. For its biology, Purrlion is a primarily purple feline Pokemon. Its head and tufted fur on its ears and cheeks. There are long, tapered, violet markings above its green eyes. It has a diminutive black nose and a creamy nozzle, and a small oval cream-colored marking above each eye. Its neck, shoulders, back, and hind paws are also cream-colored. The tip of its tail has a curved, vaguely like extension. Purrlion is a quadrupedal Pokemon, but it can stand on its hind legs as well. Purrlion is a mischievous Pokemon that likes to steal from people. Purrlion feels amusement from the frustration of those it steals from. It will put a cute act in order to get its victims to let their guard down. Should this facade succeed, the victim is left with stinging scratches and broken cracks from Purrlion's back. However, it is often forgiven even if it's constantly due to his charm. Angered, flies back to distance. In Galar, Purrlion has a fierce rivalry with Cat. For its base stat total, it has a base stat total of 201. Its highest individual stat is base speed being 66. For type effectiveness as a pure dark type, it has 3 weaknesses, 2 resistances, and 1 immunity. For its movesets, of course I go for the moves before its evolution, meaning it has 6 moves but no stab. For TMs and TRs, of course Purrlion has a lot of TMs and TRs, but 5 of them are stabs. Finally, we go on for its shiny. For its shiny, it has a simple color of blue. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So every video I have to do a quick intermission. So I know it's been a while since I uploaded an episode, like a week ago for a short, and 2 weeks ago for but I'm back. So what is gonna be next? I don't know. And yeah, so see you guys in the next episode. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification below to be notified if a new video comes up. And see you guys later. Bye.